Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment and the capture chain. Place the headset mic 2 to 3 inches from your mouth, slightly off-axis to avoid plosives. Once done, open Logitech G733 and pick the G733 microphone. Set the input level around 75 to 90% so you avoid clipping, but keep strong signal. Make sure your OS microphone input matches G733. Also, silence nearby devices and close noisy apps, so the mic's baseline noise stays low and stable. Now you'll shape the tone and dynamics to improve clarity. Start with a high-pass filter at about 80 to 120 Hz to cut low rumble. Then reduce energy in the 200 to 500 Hz range if the voice sounds boxy, and gently boost between 3 and 6 kHz for intelligibility and presence. Next, add mild compression, 2 to 4 to 1, using a fastish attack and medium release so syllables stay natural. Finally, use a subtle de-esser on sibilants if the S sounds spike. Finish by recording a short test and listening carefully at reference volume. You'll hear if adjustments are needed. Tweak input gain, EQ bands, and compression while a /B comparing before and after. Then save your preset in GHUB or your DAW for repeatability. If you still get distortion or dropouts, lower the mic input first, then check USB power and try another port or cable. If noise persists, add a hardware inline attenuator or use a simple external mic preamp for cleaner headroom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.